What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different than we normally do. I got me a fresh set of boots a couple weeks ago, and man, every welder loves new boots. And these things were awesome. They broke in really good. They fit and they wear really nice. Because of that, we went ahead and reached out to Brunt Workwear because we wanted to get the guys into some new boots because man, they looking rough out there. In typical tin soldier fashion, we can't make anything super easy. We decided to have a weld off to figure out who was the best to get a pair of boots. What the boys don't know is we already have two pair. I don't think there's going to be a clear winner of this competition because we're definitely going to make it a lot more interesting. Rick went ahead and got us some guns. We got some firecrackers. So you're going to want to stick around and find out who can weld through getting blown up and shot. And also, since Brunt's awesome, they went ahead and gave our subscribers a code. Rick's going to drop it below. You can use that code for a discount and check them out. We'll see what's going on in the shop. All right, boys, today's the day. Everything in your life has built up to this moment for the TSR weld off. We're going to have 3 basic welds and 1 metal. This is 304 stainless. So I want to see a butt joint, a lap joint, and we're going to finish it off with a T-joint. I want good, clean welds today. I don't want no funny business between the two of you. No holding, none of that. Don't be messing with each other. We're going to see who's the best. And each round will be individually judged by our expert panel of the finest weld inspectors this world has ever seen. We got the J Bird over there, master fabricator and master at seeing if you can't weld or not. And then over here, we got the biggest of the brains of all of them.
Jay can't even see the welds, but that's minor details.
You need your glasses? I need to get my binoculars out.
So right now they're tacking up their joints. That kind of sounds like they're doing something else, but they're tacking up their test pieces, and then we're gonna get this contest started.
You gotta go zoom in on his hand over there. I see him shaking.
Shaking?
I can see him shaking
He's
through the
scared,
curtain.
boys. He's scared. He's sitting here over here shaking.
Should I use the thin stuff or the thick stuff? Yeah. All right. D was trying to trick me. That's what it was.
He wasn't. He had 16.
Oh, what's it? Nah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got the thin stuff over here, dude. You gotta try that, and it'll lay in better.
Well, time is money, baby. So we gotta get in and we gotta get out. So we'll give them. I think they should be able to do this in 2 minutes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes of weld.
And that should be plenty.
Yeah.
And we want it all the way down. We're looking for consistency. We're not looking for undercut, and we're looking for that perfect bead spacing.
I'll always be fast at school.
All right, boys.
we ready?
We need 2 minutes on the clock. Who's got a timer?
Right.
It's only gonna take about 30 seconds for me to
Oh, yeah.
get this done.
He's heard that before.
Get in there, bro. Yeah, loosen me up. It's real good.
Come on.
Woo!
I'm all loose now, boys. Ready to go.
All right.
Got 2 minutes on the clock?
We got 2 minutes on the clock.
Yup.
On the count of 3, hoods down. 1, 2, 3.
And they're off.
He's going with the old butter weaves over here. Or what do we call them?
It's Muhammad weave.
Muhammad all weave over here. He's going with a little more of an aggressive pulse. Let's see what Dalton's game plan is here. Might have seen a little stop mid weld. Might have seen a little something there. He's going with a little bit more light of a pulse. Let's see if this game plan works out for him.
Oh, shit.
Who's faster?
Brian was done first.
Go first.
Woo! Look at that color, boy. Look at that color. Look at that color. Look at that penetration.
Ooh. Oh, that's a little lumpy. That's a little lumpy.
Definitely a little bit different of a style of a weld. B's a little more spaced out.
Got the fat dabs.
And
Dalton got the little dabs.
yeah, he went for more of the tight. I think this one might just come down to preference.
All right, next.
Got 2 minutes on the clock. Ready and weld.
Well, no.
We're getting under every.
Dude, Dalton ain't even flinching, boys. He's a freaking rock. Hey, that was not me, just so you know, B.
I don't know, boys. It's all about the calmness in the...
Oh dang, dude! I shot into Dalton's load.
They don't hurt that bad.
Dang, dude! Hey, I don't even see.
Money, dude. I don't even see a falter. Brian threw his in the trash. Oh
Who got me in the butt?
That was your boy. Put it right here.
That's where he got me in the butt.
We see it. We see it. Hey, Dees didn't move though.
Dude,
He didn't waver.
He just.
Unfazed. He didn't
I bet you that's where he got shot in the butt.
Yeah.
Right there.
No, dude, I got shot in the weld.
I shot him in the weld. I was like, if anything's gonna mess him up, it's gonna be that. Because I was like, I wonder if this will melt into it. Man, through all that,
Yeah.
it's pretty good.
Okay.
Ricky, you lit my butt up, didn't you?
I didn't touch
That was your boy.
Oh, damn.
So I'm sorry. I
Did
didn't
you
realize.
hold it right up to it?
Right to your butt?
I think I'm bleeding, bro. You're gonna have to look at my butt.
Let me see.
You got like 18 left.
Oh shit! Is it?
Nah, he just got a big welt.
so red.
He got a big welt.
You know my balls just healed. Out of my butt.
No, get it that hard.
At least Brad got me a new chair.
We're down to our last and final contest here. I mean, I think both have held pretty strong, but this is definitely gonna let us separate the men from the boys.
How you feeling so far?
I'm good. I got this. No problem. It's a little sore.
How you feeling, boys? How you
Oh,
feeling?
boys, we're ready to get after it. I ain't phased by that. I didn't hurt nothing. He's over there exaggerating and stuff. We're just about to knock this out.
It's the last
Got
one.
2 minutes on the clock. Hoods down and weld. Go.
Is it good?
I'm like safe. I was a judge. Who can't chamber does?
Hey, wait 2 minutes at. Come on now. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Brian wanted boots. Oh no, he just tacked it on the one side. I was like, do you want both sides?
Dang, dude, that looks good.
Y'all know what to do.
think, boys?
Y'all know what to do.
All right, you guys.
You wanna spin 'em around?
Go back over there.
Yeah, let me see.
Oh.
This is Muhammad Al Weave, and this is butter beads. Under pressure even, the boys come through.
Where'd they put them? Yeah, they put them right next to me. That's popping the net. Who had the fireworks?
Who you
What are you
think?
talking about?
I had to make a special appointment for them to open up the fireworks shop today.
This was all Ricky's idea. I just went along with it because they made me.
All right, so both of them had moments of where the opposition really scared them,
Breaks in concentration.
but they went back and they were able to fix those mistakes, which was even with firecrackers and getting shot in the butt. I think they did a pretty good job.
Some butter welds.
All right, sit down. We got a judge.
Our first joints, which would be our butt joints. It's two different styles of welds, but equally as pretty. Okay, Bert, where are you at?
I'm in the race car shop. Both of them look great. Should we do a bend test on them?
I don't think we have to go through all that.
Okay. I'm ready to judge.
All right,
We're gonna go with Muhammad Al Weave. Ready to score?
ready to score. Muhammad Al Weave.
Muhammad Al Weave.
We got all 10s here.
Butter beads.
Ready to score?
Ready to score?
We got all 10s, okay.
All right, now we got our lap joint.
Lap joint.
You do it the same format you just did, yeah.
This one they were getting lit up with.
Okay, ready to judge?
All right, you ready?
Lap joint. Yeah. Lap joint. Muhammad Al Weave.
We got unanimous.
Lap joint. Butter beads. Muhammad Al Weave.
All right, ready?
And butter beads.
Oh. I don't know if
It's a tie. It's
This
a
is
draw.
100% tie. Phenomenal welds, boys. That is good stuff.
Yep. Looks like one of you's got to wear the right boot and the other one gets the left boot.
you guys are the same size. Right?
Big boot,
So what are we gonna do here? You got a tiebreaker up there?
We didn't really plan for this.
I think Jason's got something up there for him.
Let me see. Let's see what we got,
See what
boys.
you got over there.
It's easy to tell which box is for who.
Yeah.
Size 14. Biggest shoe they make.
So, courtesy of the boys at Brunt Workwear, because they want their boots on the best welders in America, we got two sets of boots, because we knew that there's no way that one of you would be better than the other. So, enjoy. Yeah,
boys! New boot goofing.
Sick.
Dang, they come with like a.
Was that the one you chose, right? Or no? Yeah. No, I think it's swapped around.
that was
this is B. This is B.
I was like, they ain't me. I was gonna take them though because they're so pretty. I was as big as my head. They're the ones.
Hey, the box got to be messed up. That's the bigger box.
No, these are one size.
Yeah, I got them sports, son.
Oh, you already know. Kick these freaks.
Get them out of here.
Oh shit! He went to the wall!
What?
He went to the wall!
Look how bad I needed them.
You can't give me these things. No, dude. We should run down our Christian up real quick. Oh, no kidding.
Oh, how many we got to check out. We got to try out the boots. Go mess them up. We got to run over there with the boots on.
I think since we shot, dude, as many as we've shot, look how full they still are.
And you saw how many I have out in the van. It's gonna last us a minute.
Oh shit, boy.
Woo! Start crib walking on or what?
Damn, them feel good.
New boot goofing.
You want to have a race? A foot race? I'll whoop you at that too,
Hey,
boy.
I'll foot race you.
I'll beat this.
Come on in. Hold on. Let me lace my shoes.
Yeah, let me lace them up.